How do I merge a list of dicts into a single dict? Answers here will overwrite keys that match between two of the input dicts, because a dict cannot have duplicate keys. If you want to collect multiple values from matching keys, see how to merge dicts, collecting values from matching keys.
This works for dictionaries of any length. As a comprehension.
For flat dictionaries you can do this.
In case of Python 3.3+, there is a chain map collection. Also see, what is the purpose of collections.chainmap?
This is similar to it delnand but offers the option to modify the k/v, key/value, items and I believe is more readable. For instance, replace k/v items as follows. Unpacks the k/v tuple from the dictionary.items generator after pulling the dict object out of the list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.